Hey everyone, welcome back to Infinite Financial Academy. Today we are diving into a crucial topic for anyone looking to grow their wealth: the importance of research in investing. Whether you are a very skilled or just starting out, understanding how to research effectively can make all the difference in your investment journey. So, let's get right into it. First things first. Why is research so essential in investing? Simply put, investing without research is like going on a road trip without a map. You might have a destination in mind, but without knowing the route, you could easily get lost. Here are few key reasons why research is critical. First, research allows you to make informed decisions rather than relying on tips or gut feelings. Second, understanding the market and individual investments helps you identify and manage risks more effectively. Third, investing is a marathon, not a sprint. Thorough research helps you build a strong foundation for a long term success. Fourth, when you know your stuff, you are more confident in your investment choices, especially during market volatility. And lastly, thorough research helps you spot hidden gems in the market that others might overlook. Now that the why is clear, let's focus and explore on the what.
There are several types of research you should consider.
First, this involves evaluating a company's financial health by looking at its earnings, revenue, and growth potential. Understanding the fundamentals is a key to finding undervalued stocks. Second, this focuses on the price movements and trading volumes. Chart patterns and indicators can help you predict future price movements. Third, keeping an eye on market trends, economic indicators, and geopolitical events can give you context on how your investments might perform. And lastly, understanding the overall mood of the market can help you gauge whether to buy, hold, or sell. Are investors feeling optimistic or pessimistic? So, how can you conduct your research? Here are some valuable tools to help you out. First, websites like Yahoo Finance, CNBC, or Bloomberg provide you up to date news and analysis. Second, tools like Finviz or Morningstar can help you filter stocks based on various criteria. Third, always read a company's quarterly and annual reports. They contain valuable insights about a company's performance. And lastly, places like Reddit or Seeking Alpha can provide community insights, but always take this with a grain of salt. Now that you know what research to do, let's talk about how to do it effectively. Keep these best practices in mind. First, know what you are looking to achieve with your investments. Are you seeking growth, income, or something else? Second, make research a regular part of your investing routine. Consistency is a key. Third, don't rely on a single source of information. The more diverse your sources, the more well rounded your perspective will be. And lastly, investing is ever changing. Commit to lifelong learning to adapt and grow. While research is vital, there are common pitfalls to watch out for. First, getting stuck in analysis can lead to missed opportunities. Second, don't focus solely on one investment. Consider your overall portfolio. And lastly, just because everyone is talking about a stock doesn't mean it's a good investment. Do your own homework. In conclusion, research is the backbone of a successful investing. By taking the time to understand the market and your investments, you can make the smarter decisions and ultimately grow your wealth. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more investing tips and insights. What's your favorite research tool? Let us know in the comments.
Until next time, happy investing.